Customization Lesson 1 Creating Graphics Part 1 Backgrounds. Open up Content Manager and open the content folder you would like to change. Next to the word Select Background Image should be a Browse button. Click this and select the image you would like to use and click Open. Part 2 Icons. Most of the graphic design is completed on PowerPoint, so first open PowerPoint. Click on the Insert tab and click on the drop-down arrow next to Shapes and select the rounded rectangle. Click and hold while holding down the Shift key and drag out a square. Right-click on the square to change its appearance settings, such as colour, 3D options and shadows. Next, click Insert, Picture and select the image you would like to use as an icon. Resize and place the picture in the center of the rounded rectangle. Click and hold and drag over both images so both are selected. Right-click on your selection and click on Save as Picture and save it. Under Save as Type, ensure your image is saved as a PNG. Next, open Content Manager in your associated content folder. Click the Manage Subfolders and Contents tab and find the file/folder you want to add an icon to. Underneath the icon column, where on my screen there is a picture of a folder, double-click on the folder. Select the image you would like to use and click Open. Alternatively, while saving the icon, if you save it in the same file directory as the folder/file you want your image to be an icon of, under exactly the same name followed by .png, InfoActive will automatically link them up for you. Part 3 Arrows. In PowerPoint, click on the Insert tab and on the drop-down arrow for Shapes, select the right arrow. Click and hold whilst holding the Shift key to drag out the arrow. In order to make the arrow match the icon, click on your icon followed by Home and click Format Painter. Then simply left-click on your arrow to copy across the format settings. 3D formatting can also be added
to make it more button-like.
Once you are happy with your arrow, right-click on it and select Save as Image. Click and hold and drag the green circle to rotate 180 degrees to make a left arrow, then repeat the save process. Next, open the Content Manager and your relevant content folder. On the Folder-wide Options tab, click on the Click Here box next to the Edit Scrolling buttons. Click Browse and select the arrows you just created. Here are what they look like. The same process can be used to create the up and down arrows. Part 4. Action buttons. Reopen PowerPoint and again select the rounded rectangle tool from the Insert tab on the Shapes options. Format Painter can be used again to add the same format options used on the arrows. Then click Insert Text Box and type in the name of the button you want to change the design of. Click and hold and drag over both image and text box. Right-click on both and select Save Image As. Then open up the Content Manager and your Content folder, and under Folder-wide Settings, click the Click Here box next to Edit Action Button Design. Click Browse next to your chosen button, select your newly created button, and click Open. Here is what it looks like.